Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and change time in iPhone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, now we will simply start our video. For the matter, first of all, you have to go to your settings of your phone and simply tap on this general afterward right over here, and you're going to tap on this option called date and time. And then here in the section you can find this 24-hour time, which is just right over here, and the time zone, which is set automatically, right? So you can simply turn this off and tap on this 24-hour time according to your need, and simply turn this off and do it. But iPhone automatically detects your time zone and turns it on. So if it's not on, then you can tap on this 24-hour time on top, and it will simply change the time. You can see now it shows our time like that on top. You can see it, right? And if we go back, we can simply turn this off. Again, go back and simply tap on this, and we can turn it off like that as well. So that is how we can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.